Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. This is Lucas from Bannery, and in this video I will walk through our app, okay, on the real device. So the reason why I want to show you this application on the real device is because in our live test, which is available on FlutterFlow marketplace, some of the functions might not work because there is multiple different features available only when you grant access to the user. This could be done from the backend. Obviously, there is multiple different ways you can do it, but obviously I will show you the app now with the full access, okay? So this is the main screen. When you access the app, this is welcome screen where you display users name, image, account balance. In our case, this is points. You have 4 different buttons. One will will allow you to access the main app. Second is banner card, which is the reward card. So you allow this card to be scanned by vendors when you make any transaction, so you can collect points. Then for the business, there will be another button called Scan Banner Card. When you press this button, you will access to the scanner. And I will show you now that you will access the scanner, okay? And I will scan the code from one of the users. You can see that the blue button appeared because scanner already detects that the user exists in the database. So you can grant some kind of reward for this user. So let's go next. This is Lucas, that's the user. Let's say $200, transactions, generate points, and it's done, okay? And now you can see that the last payment was $11.35 for $200, okay? You can obviously see that all those transactions listed, there is sum of transactions, which is $627.80. This is how much money Bannery made from the customers that came with this app to their store. Let's say this is just an example. In the bottom, you have button to pay. Just because we have a fees applied to each transaction, it's 10%, we charge automatically, well, we make a sum of those transactions fees, and we display them here where the fees due, okay? So it's $67.78. When business will decide to pay now, they just press pay button below. There will be dialog from Stripe. Okay, we integrate this with Stripe. You can see on the button there is a pay 62.78. This is exactly amount that he owes us. When he press pay by providing the card number, whatever, and then pay, this will make a payment automatically and will show that he owns us $0. Obviously, I'm not going to do it now because this is real device and real app, so I'm not going to make that payment, but this is how they do it. Let's go back again with the cross to the main screen. To go back again to the main screen, we're doing this top left corner icon and go to the quick access. So we're back to the screen. So you know how banner card works. So obviously you saw that. Scanner works. And now you have invite friends. This is your referral program, the referral code. So this is how we would do it. When you allow people to scan your code or share that referral code, when they sign up, you will earn points for inviting people. So obviously to copy this code, you just long press on the code and you will copy to your clipboard, okay? Now you close this one. And this is main screen. To access the main app, you press the logo, well, button with the logo. So I press it, and there is few different functions. One is home screen, where we have a feed. Second is a shop. stored will be the points, but in this case, it will be transactions because I'm the business. So I'm going to points. This is transactions. So you saw that already. Cross. You have a chats. Okay. And you have your profile. Perfect. Let's go back to feed. In feed, you are allowed to post photos and videos. Okay. To post photo on video, you just press this plus button on top of the page on the right hand side. And then you will have access to share photo or video. I'm not going to post anything because this is a real application. I don't want to post some stupid stuff, but obviously this is how it works. You press share photo, you will have access to your pictures, you add picture, description or caption, you tag people to it, you tag place, you decide to hide or unhide your like count, and then you share it. So obviously this is how it works. And in one of the videos, in previous videos on YouTube, I actually walked through this process. So you can just find the video, it will be in the description as well, and just see how this works on with the posting and creating a post or videos, okay? But in this video, we will not go that far. Explore feed is the feed that is global. So you can see posts from all over the world, okay, from every user. When you go explore or you press explore and you go to near you, app automatically will filter every post that is in your radius, 500 meters. So obviously people who are in your area and they will post something right now, those posts will be straight away displayed in this feed, okay, near you. Obviously, this is our idea, so I encourage you to change the way that you're gonna display this post and everything, but obviously this is the idea so you can learn from it how we managed. So explore again. With the post you can interact, so obviously you can do likes, you can comment, you can save this post if you like it. So if I'm going to my profile now and I'm going to my saved tab, you can see this post is there. If I click it, it's there. If I unmark that and go back, it's gone. This is all posts that have been tagged. So obviously there are some people that tag me already. And these are my posts. But that's profile. Let's go back again to the home screen. You can see the owner of this post and any post. You can very easily follow or unfollow the user. Additionally, you can navigate to their profile where you have some information, following count, followers. You can check their posts. You can check their posts when they were tagged. And you have additional settings here with the 3 dots below where you can follow Lucas, check the account details, you can block or report, okay? When you press report, you select why. Let's say this is spam. You press that I don't like it, okay, which is stupid reason, but obviously someone could do that. Report, and then we will get that notification that there was a report to this post, so we can follow and see if this post really is a spammy post or not. If it's spammy, we remove from the app. If it's not, we're just gonna leave that there. So this is the report confirmation done, and you have this report confirmations or any other confirmation multiple in the app, so you can just copy to your app and edit a little bit and you will have that. On the right top corner we have notifications, so obviously I can navigate there. I can see there's some likes to my posts or follows. I can long press on any and I can remove. Long press on any and remove. Long press on any and remove. I can navigate to any post that was actually liked. For example, the first one, I press on the picture and I'm there. If I will leave the comment here, for example, hi and post, that's the comment, okay? I can navigate back now to my notifications, okay? I can see there was new notification. I can see the very first one, it says it's just now, Barry commented hi. That's true. So I navigate back, I press these comments, and just because I'm the owner, I can delete this comment as well. I obviously can interact with this one, give a like, delete, are you sure? Yes, I am, and go back. You go back to this post, you delete this one, delete that one, and this one, and there you have nothing to display. So that's the main screen, okay? Additional access you have from this top left corner icon. You press, we already saw that quick access. I'm gonna press it again. You're gonna go to this home screen, access the app. You're gonna go again to the same icon. You can, as a business, you'll be able to create bookings. So this is how it works. You go to bookings, you have no bookings at all. You press plus, there's booking creation, it's already in place. So we have a title. So binary, it's me, okay? So I'm creating this booking. So let's say you will have shops or hairdresser or a restaurant. And let's say a restaurant would like to make a booking for you, the table, or you want to book an appointment in, I don't know, beauty salon, or you want to do haircut. You just text to the shop, you tell them you would like to make a booking. They're just gonna fill up the form. They're gonna say, okay, haircut. Okay, there will be no note, no need. What will be the address? Starts when? It's gonna be at, let's say 12 o'clock. Okay, today. Then you go to the next one. It will be 12 until 12:15 or 20, let's say. So you have confirmation. And now you have to tag people. So we're gonna go up. Lucas, for example. Okay, so I have it here. Lucas is tagged, so it's gonna be me. Let's say I'm the barber binary, and Lucas will be the person who's coming to the shop. I can close this tab by typing close. Okay, so people are there. If I will add more people, I don't know. Let's say Julia. So you can see there is 2 people there. I can very easily remove this person by typing here. And I'm by myself, okay? And confirm. So that booking is there. And I know that it's in 13 minutes, okay? Because we set up for 12 o'clock today, you can see. The address is there, it will be haircut, and who is coming. Now I can press here and see all the details. If I want to cancel, I obviously hold the cancel button and it's done. Okay? Now additional thing here is Luminary. Luminary is a ChatGPT integration, okay? For this purpose of this video, we disconnect our API, which is very easily, you can very easily add to your own project in our app state, okay? But now if I would say hi, obviously there will be null because there is no API. But if you will connect your own API to ChatGPT from OpenAI, you'll be able to see, you'll be able to continue discussion with the Luminary. Well, you can change this obviously to any other name, but it's a ChatGPT, okay? And what else we have here? Okay, legal center. Obviously we have a privacy policy, so we go into the website or we go into the documents or community standards. This is our website and you go into community standards. Obviously you don't need that. Well, you need for your app, but you don't need to see what's there. And additional, it's logout. Obviously I'm not gonna log it out because it's not the point. Now, next page will be shop. So here will be a list of the businesses that will partner with you, okay? You can use this as a shop You can use this as, let's say you will create this template, you will modify this template for your own business. Let's say you're a restaurant. So you could place here multiple different dishes or information about your bookings, whatever you want, okay? Or maybe you would like to do something like Airbnb. You can very easily adapt this page to your own needs, except list of shops, it will be list of the businesses, the properties, and you will be able to book them up through the app. For this purpose, we have a simple shop listing. Let's say I would like to have a coffee. I know that if I go to Leaf Cafe, I will get 3 times points for every dollar spent. I want to check their prices, so I press on Leaf Cafe profile. I can see that they have affordable prices. I've decided to go. So all I need to do, I don't need to copy an address, go to Google and, do all that stuff to search for this place. I just press go and I'm in the map. And obviously I'll just navigate 3 hours and 4 minutes drive from my home place and I'll be able to go. But I'm not going to the shop. I can also call them if I would like to ask question, or if they open, or if they have some tables so I can sit with the friends. Maybe 20 friends will be heading there. I can call them or I can chat them. If you press call, obviously if they provide phone number, you'll be able to call from your phone. So there will be phone number and you press call. Obviously there is no phone number now, so you can't call this shop. So that's the shop section. And then you have a point section, which is transactions in this case, okay? If I will change now, let's say go back, and I will change now my business account to private account, I'm pressing the same button with this points, and I have points account. You see, depend on the permission, you will access different screens, okay? As a user, you will have your points collection. As a business, you will have your transaction collection. And in this case, when I have a points, I'm able to withdraw points to my bank account as dollars. Now, to do that, let's say I add manually now, let's do the trick. I will add points to my account number. Let's say add 5,000 points. Okay? You can see that I have 5,000 points. I have to go back and go back again. Now I can see that 5,000 points is $50. I could withdraw. The minimum withdrawal for the people, okay, for the user, it's 1,000 points. So let's say I want to trick the system and I would like to withdraw $999. 999 points. Redeem? You can't because it's minimum 1,000. So let's go back again, 1,000. Or let's say we're gonna do 1,250, okay? We have $50 available, which is 5,000 points. We will withdraw $1,250, redeem, and that's it, success. Your withdrawal request has been successfully placed, done. And now I have transaction that we just sent points to cash. It's pending because obviously it's in process. Available balance left $37.50, 3,750 points available. Cool? I think it's cool. Let's do another 1,000. Redeem. So we will have 2,000 left. If you adopt, everything works fine. So if you would like to change this to your own program and display different values, I don't know, dollars, or connect your account, which is, let's say this will be the account balance in dollars or euros or zloty, whatever, through API with any open banking APIs, or maybe you have a EMI license and you're looking for a solution for your own mobile bank. This is pre-built, fully functional, account balance, well, account details, and transaction section. So obviously, you don't need to do anything except just link your APIs and test, and everything should work. The last thing I want to show you, well, maybe before last, is chats. When you go into chats, you can see there are some messages that was deleted. And let's say I'm gonna text another, hi there, send, you have a message. I would like to interact with that message, so I long press. I would like to reply. I would like to say hi. Obviously I'm replying to myself, but I just want to show you what's going on there. I can reply to Lucas's hi as well, so I can long press on his message. You will see that hi is highlighted. I could do reply. I could say hello to this little man here. And now I can see all the replies working fine. I can interact with them as well. Hi, long press, and I will do fire. It's done. I could change that long press again and just do hard. So you can see it's changing rapidly in real time, or maybe very funny. You can add picture as well to this messages, okay? But I'm not gonna do that because this is real device, so you will be able to see all my pictures, which I don't like to share with anybody. You go back. You can navigate to the profile as well by clicking a picture of that on top. And I'm in Lucas's messages, profile. If I would like to follow Lucas, I press follow. If I would like to unfollow, I see unfollow. And you can see this is changing very, very, very fast. So the backend responding very quick with this app. It's very quick. And if I would like to test chat with Lucas again, I'll just press message, and this button will detect if user are ready, have any ongoing conversations. So if there is ongoing conversation, it will take me straight away to the screen where this conversation is in place. So here we go. You can see I'm navigated to our chat. Now you can go back to home. And obviously profile. So here you have a search button on top on the right hand side. Okay, you can search for people. Bannery. Okay, you can see that there is one. If I delete some letters, I could have more people appearing in a process. So obviously this is Algolia. So we use Algolia to search, okay, in our database, because the database is very huge. There's multiple users and businesses and so on. So we use Algolia because it's fast, it's stable, and it's very, very, very easy to integrate with your app. On this page, you have a username, business type, so it's app page. You have some bio, link to the website. Obviously, I could just navigate. You can see it works fine. You can edit profile and share profile. Share profile is easy. You just press and allow other people to scan this code with their phone camera. Once they scan it, that's it. They will be navigated to the page of your profile. You can copy link or you can share that. I'm not going to share because obviously, again, it will be pop-up with all the people that I have in my contacts. I don't want to do that for this video. But you can test on your own application when you download this template. And last thing is edit profile. So obviously, I am now as a person. Okay, it's a business profile, but as a person. Now I will grant different permission for this account. So you see when I click this edit profile button, when I press it, I'm going to this page. And if I am the person, I can switch to professional. It's like on Instagram, you press switch and you fill all the data here. You add logo, change the name if you want it, change the bio. Obviously, we're not gonna do that. You can add website, You can add phone number, email, category. Let's say you're gonna do app page, okay, done. And you have an app page then. Oh, it's not there, but it's already highlighted. But what I want to do, I'm not going to do it now. Go back and go back. So this is my profile, edit profile. And also I could check for updates. So I press this check for updates. Here, I can see the 3.0 version was released. There's all information about what's new. And I can update this up through this screen. Or I can delete account. Are you sure you want to delete? No, cancel, I don't want it. And you have all save posts and any posts that you've been tagged. So this is for now. I hope you like it. This app is available to purchase as is, because obviously we are releasing our own brand new app very soon, under different name even. So we decided to sell this one for the purpose of supporting our business, and two, to allow other FlutterFlow developers learn from what we've done in the past 12 months. So this app in this version is available now to purchase on FlutterFlow Marketplace. Link will be below in this video. And yeah, if you have any questions, there will be another link to my profile on community page on FlutterFlow. You can text me there or email me, and we can discuss details if you have any questions. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time.